Immigration Legal Assistant program at Ashton, right after earning my high school diploma this year, and I'm currently working in an immigration firm. My dad is an immigration consultant, so I wanted to take it so I can help him out in his job. And I also believe in helping others. So if I'm an immigration legal assistant, I think I can help others abroad to come to Canada easier. My favorite part would be filling in forms because I love structured work where I know what to expect. I'm really passionate about helping others. I think it's really important to develop like a good relationship with your client. I'm really passionate about treating them kindly. I chose it because my dad, he's an immigration consultant and he also went to Ashton College before in 2014. And so I also chose it because Ashton College offers this course online. The transition was smooth from secondary to post-secondary. I think because it offers like specific to immigration legal assistant, not just legal assistant. And although Ashton did teach me some legal concepts, like in courtrooms, it still had some immigration to it, which is I like. Some instructors, they let me fill in forms, and I like that practical hands-on activity that we did instead of just the normal lecturing. So we also got to try researching in Canada's website on where to find the forms. Yeah, it was very hands-on. There was this one time where we did acting and role playing. It was a group presentation, and me and my partner, we were going to act like in a real life scenario. I was going to be the immigration assistant, and she was the client. And we were on a phone call, and she was very realistic in her acting as a client. It really tested my patience. And so I learned that I needed to develop more patience when dealing with clients, and I really enjoyed that little presentation we had. There was that one instructor, she just spilled all her experience on how to deal with clients. It taught me like not to get too close to a client, always being courteous but firm. And I think that's very valuable what she taught us because that was from her personal experience of years as working as an immigration consultant. And yeah, so I learned a lot from the way she treated clients. I was there for 5 days. I was a little familiar with the work already that they made me do because I did help out with my dad a little bit already, but I was able to do in my practicum writing letters for the first time. And it was fun, and I also learned how to be respectful, the practicum host, and talking to clients a little bit. But although it was a little bit of a challenge in my practicum because the language there wasn't my first language, I still got to interact with clients a little bit. Maybe graduating early. I graduated a year early, and that's all thanks to my parents, and I'm really grateful for it because I was able to have a head start in post-secondary. Yeah, it's my dad. I learned a lot from him on organizing files, and he has like a good work-life balance, and I really like that about him. I think my advice would just be from the Bible, which is to treat others the way you want to be treated. And I think this can be applied in clients. Like you want to kind of think, how will this make them feel? Yeah, and to use it to like understand why they can be asking for updates all the time, to understand that they're just curious. I just want to say thank you for this opportunity.